Hi and welcome to Vid Reaper. As you probably realise, there's an ever-growing number of courses on how to do video marketing, as well as an abundance of software to make it easy to create great looking videos and to get them ranked. But there's a massive hole in the marketplace, a hole in the video marketer's toolbox. How do you come up with the ideas, topics, titles and keywords to create videos for? It can be a pretty long-winded and exhausting process to brainstorm ideas for videos, then gather all the relevant data to see if they actually have enough traffic and value to be worth creating a video for, and then whether you can actually rank for them. And you have to repeat the same process over and over again, looking for those golden nuggets that are actually going to make you some money. In fact, to be really successful at video marketing, all that research work means you really need a full-time outsourcing team working for you 24/7. Or you could just let Vid Reaper take care of all the heavy lifting for you. The Vid Reaper engine harvests videos from the 60 million plus YouTube videos ranked in Google. Then it pre-qualifies them for you to get rid of any that don't have real profit potential and traffic. For those videos that do pass the minimum requirements, it then goes out and gathers all the ranking data you need and pops it into the database. It does this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, month after month. As you can see from the current live number down in the bottom right hand corner here, there are already over 285,000 qualified videos in the database. And around 5,000 new ones are added every single day. So by the time we go live on October the 10th, there will be close to 500,000 valuable video topics in the database. It's like having your own full research team working for you day in and day out. It's also worth noting that the research goes on live throughout the day, so there's constantly new videos dropping into the database. When you hit refresh for the page every few minutes, new videos will pop up in the database, so finding fresh new topics to create videos for has never been easier or as much fun. Okay, so now let's have a quick run through of what you get. I'm going to start with choose columns. There is a lot of data available, but you can choose which data you want to actually have included. So let's say I'm not actually interested in Facebook shares or Google Plus data, so I can scroll down and untick those options and they disappear from the display that I've got in front of me. And you can see there's quite a few things here that we can play around with and change what data we're actually looking at depending on what information is most useful to you as a video marketer. All of the columns of data can also be resized, so if I want to squeeze that up a bit so we get a bit more of the title on screen, I can do so. You can also sort by any of the columns of data just by clicking on the title at the top of that column in order of high to low or low to high. Just click again to get the reverse. You can also narrow the selection down by selecting to filter by the actual category. So let's say I'm not interested in the music, or what else do we have down here? Shows, news and politics and entertainment. So I can take those categories of videos out of my view so that I'm no longer looking at those. It allows you to fine-tune the data that you're actually looking at and filtering on. You can then fine-tune the data even further by filtering on one or more columns of data. Now if we hover over the little icon next to the top, the keyword for each column, it will show you what that data represents. So in this case, the age is the number of days that the video has been there. The keyword, that's the number of keywords that this video is ranking for in Google US. The traffic, some of the descriptions are a bit longer, so that's quite a long description on the traffic. The value, that's how much it would cost you using Google AdWords to get this amount of traffic for those keywords. The backlinks, the difficulty to rank, the duration of the video, captions, whether it has captions or not, the number of views, the number of likes, and the reserve button, which I'll come back to in a moment. Now to actually narrow down the selection of videos, very simple to use the filters. Just click on the little down arrow here and choose whether you want less than, greater than, less than and equal to, etc. Whichever qualifier you want. pop in a number and it will update the videos that you're actually viewing from the database. So you'll probably need to add sort of 2 or 3 different filters to narrow it down. That's part of the beauty of the way Vid Reaper works. You can choose which data to filter on to suit your particular needs as a video marketer, and then fine tune it to get right down to pick the golden nugget videos that you can really make money from. And once you've worked out exactly which filters you're going to be working with on a regular basis, you can simply click on Save Filters so that the next time you come back in, you can click on Load Filters and load those filters straight back up and be going through the data quickly based on your favorite filter data. Now, a few moments ago, I mentioned this big yellow button on the right called Reserve. This is specifically for premium members, members who've upgraded to the premium membership, as is the My Videos page. Now, basically what this allows premium members to do is when they find a video that they really like, they can cut down their potential competition for ranking for that video by reserving it and hiding the title details from the general database. Normal users will be able to see data like the age, the keywords, the traffic, etc., but they'll have no idea what that video is because the title will be grayed out and the preview won't be available either. So people can see that it's there in the database, but they'll also see that it's been reserved by a premium member. So it gives those premium members real exclusivity on the videos that they pick to work on themselves, and they can do that with up to 30 videos per month. Now, I've already reserved a couple earlier today, so I'm going to go across to the My Videos page, and you can see here are the 3 videos that I've reserved from the database as a premium member, so that these will appear in the general database, but the relevant or the important information such as the title and the link to the video itself, they will be blurred out and won't be accessible to normal users. Now, there's another really important advantage to being a premium member, and it's this blueprint button over here. Now, the full blueprint, when you click on it, allows you to see not just the number of keywords that this particular video ranks for in Google, but what those keywords are. And in addition to that, you also get the list of backlinks for this particular video, effectively giving you your ranking plan for this video so that you can get yours to rank, add in extra backlinks and push yours to the top. Okay, all members will also get full training tutorial videos both on how to use Video Reaper and on how to rank videos and how to monetize videos to make sure they've got a thorough grounding in video marketing as well. Okay, that's a pretty quick walkthrough of Vid Reaper, and it still took over 8 minutes. So you can see I've just scratched the surface of the power of Vid Reaper. It takes the grunt work and the guesswork out of video marketing. It is an essential part of any video marketer's toolbox. We look forward to having you on board on October the 10th when we go public, and thank you very much for watching.